The wheel is sliding off. Stop, 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 stop. Brother. Your wheel was about to fall off the ramp. It was gonna be a disaster.
Business is war. Don't want nobody tell you anything else.
It doesn't turn on.
I'm gonna lose my mind, bro.
Trying to disconnect the transmission so you can free up all the wheels.
If you just pull forward, I got my foot on the brake, it'll drop it right there. Wait! Bow, YouTube, what it do? We got a day in the life video today. Another one coming at you live from North Carolina. Let's get straight to it. We got a lot to do today. We just bought a Tesla. I'll show y'all that in a second for $8,000. Tesla, 8 bands, slight fix. I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. But real quick, we have to reorganize the lot and we'll go from there. So I'm thinking Acura, we move outside to the front. And I didn't even show y'all this. This is a tent for Jeff and Oswald so they can wash the cars. Summer heat, it's kind of crazy. Summer's coming. They can be in here, boom, wash everything up, clean cars without the heat, you know, without the sun beating on them. And we have the board. So the board basically, this just tells everyone what they need to do. So I'll come in, I'll write everything down. So Tulio, for example, the body guy, he did the black Civic, that's done. Now he's working on the black Accord and the red Buick. And once he finishes these, he just checks them off and goes to the next car. Same thing with Victor, the mechanic. You gotta fix these. Diego, we got a new body guy. So now we got 2 body guys. So 2 body guys here at Bliss. If y'all need your cars fixed, hey, I can hook y'all up with some good prices. So we got 2 body guys. Almost done with this one. Now he's working on this one. He's just waiting for a part on this one. And then Jeff and Oswald, they do, you know, general stuff, picking up cars, picking up parts, stuff like that. There's that. So we have the board now. Hopefully it streamlines everything, makes it a little bit better. I'll show them the clock-in machine. We don't want corporate, y'all. So if we come over here, we have a clock-in machine. So boom. As y'all see, someone comes in, they put their fingerprint in, and it'll clock them in. They'll say you want to clock in or take lunch or clock out. At the end of every week, I used to just add up all the hours, add up, you know, everything, calculate everything, and then, you know, pay everybody. But now this way, it'll just automatically add up all the hours. It'll tell me how much to pay them, and that's that. So
This man went corporate.
I don't want corporate on y'all, yo. So there's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead, organize the lot. Let me show you guys the Tesla I got real quick though. All right, so here's the Tesla, the 2020, only 64,000 miles, and the damage is super slight. I'm gonna get a new rear door probably, and try to fix that front door. It has 64,000 miles, and I was the winning bidder at 7,300. After fees, it was like 8 bands. So that one should be good, inshallah, when it comes. I think it might come either today or tomorrow. So if it comes today, we'll record that. But if it comes tomorrow, we might also record that. We'll go ahead and organize the lot. We got the boy Oswald in the cut. Sir. All right, we're gonna organize some of these. For example, this, we're gonna pull out. This is a nice car, so we gotta show it to the front. I think we should put it right over there. And we'll move that Ford Explorer out the way. Let me pull up. Show them this, bro. Show them this. Goodness gracious. That's not even my car. I'll let people use my account to bid, so then they can, you know, buy their cars and whatnot. This is a perfect example of, I don't want to say what not to do, but this is an example of what I would not do, right? First of all, suspension damage. That's just more work you have to deal with. Second of all, the hit is hard. Look at that hit. This is steel. This is metal. Boom. Destroyed. Destroyed. There's too much of a hit, too heavy of a hit, and the miles on this car is like 190. It's too high, too many miles. It is what it is. We're gonna try to move it out the way. Also, we're gonna try to move this car, bro. It's just taking up space. Tulio, we gotta get Tulio in the cut, bro. See what he's working on.
Buenos días, amigos. Muy buenos días, mi gente de YouTube.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, gracias a Dios. Agradecido con Dios por cada día de vida y este bello día que nos da todos los días.
This is what he's working on. Buick, sanding it down, getting ready for paint. That's good.
Amigos, próximamente mi página de YouTube les estaré explicando el arreglo, el procedimiento de cada carro, cómo lo arreglamos. Las piezas que son recuperables se pueden arreglar. Les estaré explicando paso a paso.
Gracias. And his Honda Accord. He's gonna paint this right here on the bottom. We have a new body guy. I don't know if he wants to be on camera though. Let me ask him. I don't know if he's cool with YouTube. And it's a sports car. This is Jeff's car actually. He's taking it back to auction. Oh, you know what? We're gonna move this Infinity. This is Jason's Infinity. Look at this thing, bro. Imagine having allergies. If you touch this, you go crazy? Really? Oof. Show him on this side, show him on this side. I don't even know where we can put it. I guess right over here. Ugh. Look at that.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell.
Yeah, that's crazy. Hey, buy my course. This would never happen. Buy my course. If I learn how to flip cars correctly, buy my course. If you want mentorship, if you want one-on-one help, get the mentorship. It's so cheap compared to like the money I make.
And how much you're gonna spend to fix this up?
You might lose money on buying this, bro, unfortunately. Tap in, tap in, tap in. Also trying to get Oh man. You have the key back? Thank you.
Sure.
All right, boom. Guys, that was the body guys holding us down. Let me get some parts delivered right now. It's parts for the Honda and parts for the Chrysler. I'll move this one up front. So it'll be the 3 Cadillacs, like boom, like you see one Cadillac? in the front. 1, 2, 3. All the same cars, basically. These cars are slept on. These cars are extremely, extremely slept on. This is going for like 6 grand. Bro, this car brand new is like 40. Drives A1, the technology is perfect. Like 100,000.
For 6?
6, bro. Show them the interior. It's panoramic sunroof, like the dual one. Brown leather. It's a Cadillac, y'all. Ain't nothing drives like a Cadillac. How you doing, boss? As far as the door, is it possible to give it to the body shop down the street? Because that's where it's supposed to be going to. Can I pay for it? And okay, all right. I don't know about this headlight, but let me see. Probably pass on this one. You don't have any other headlights? Okay, this one's all, there's water inside, busted right here.
What's up, everybody? It's time to clock in.
Clock in. Hey, we're working. Y'all over here sitting down, not doing nothing. You gotta work, man. Everyone has to work. Muhammad on the camera, Jeff just clocked in, I'm working. The bees are working, making honey. The ants are working nonstop. Everyone's working. You gotta work, man. Anyway, let's see what we got going on. We just organized a lot. If you wanna help Oswald. We'll go put these in the cars that they belong to, and we'll go from there. Is they okay with YouTube?
He said he's shy.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo
¿Qué holas?
estás?
¿Cómo andamos? ¿Todo bien?
¿Todo bien?
¿Todo bien?
Gracias. Trabaja bueno.
Trabajo bueno.
Hey, we just want another car. So the Tesla first, and now we got a Subaru Forester. This car has no damage except for the roof. Literally nothing, bro. Just the roof.
How much you get it for?
2 bands. 2K, 2K. I'm trying to make a little 2K. I bet we're organizing stuff. We have to go pick up parts in a little bit from this one store that we get parts from. We got the Audi right there. Ooh, the Audi. I have to buy the headlight. I forgot. Audi A7. We got a new radiator for this car. This one was cracked from the accident. This one's busted, so we got a new one. And now they're moving those Cadillacs here, so we're gonna line up the SUVs here, is what I'm thinking. Boom, SUVs all along this row. So we'll move these 2 cars out the way. And then everything else, like sedans and stuff. Q50s always go over there. That's the Q50 lineup. We're low on Q50s right now, so we need to get some more. Y'all keep asking me about the Bentley. The Bentley is sold. Someone put a deposit on it, it's done. It's over with.
Still not finished though.
Yeah, no, he bought it wholesale. So he bought it just like this. He's gonna fix it himself. Yeah, he's gonna fix it himself. Sold to him for $17,000 with the parts though. So he got the parts in the car, 17 grand. He came and checked it out like a couple days ago. Turned it on, everything says A1. This car was A1. I didn't feel like fixing it. We made a quick like 5 on it, so something slight. And then yeah, so they're about to bring that Cadillac, park it right here in between these 2 Cadillacs. And we'll have them move those cars out the way. I'm over here messaging the place that we get the parts from, see if the parts are there.
From burgers to
Bentleys. Tap in, y'all, tap in. Hey, open the sunroof, the shade. It's open? Yeah, open it. Just the shade. And Jeff, this Honda, bro, this is Jason's Honda. This is Jason's car. So this is a rough one, bro. I don't know. I don't even like looking at it. Where should we even put this car, bro? I don't even like looking at it. All right, I'm gonna set up transport for that Subaru that we just won, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, y'all, quick update. I'm over here setting up the transport for this Forester that we won, the Subaru, and I just won, or I might have won, another Tesla Model 3. So this is another one, as y'all can see. Damage was in the front. My max bid was 7.1, so I won it for 7.1, and the seller wants 9.2. So we're just gonna counter him real quick. We're gonna stay at 7.1. Boom. If he takes it, we'll take the car. If not, car will just run through the auction again, and it is what it is. And I'll let you guys know if we win that. Hey, 2 Teslas in one day? Maybe that'd be the thumbnail. How about 2 Teslas in one day? All right, me and Jazzy, we're gonna work on this board right now. So boom, we're gonna try to organize it. I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna organize it.
All right, cameraman coming at you. It's a pretty self-explanatory system. Car, parts, repair, inspect, wash and photos. Then we got a section for each of them to put their notes. Victor, Tulio, Jeff, and Oswald. Pretty easy to follow. The name of the car, the parts that it needs. Has it been repaired? Yes. Has it been inspected? Yes. Has it been washed? Photos taken of? Yes. Once it gets all the way down the list and it's listed for sale, there's really no need to put it on this status board. So this is really only for the cars that are being worked on. And the goal here is to get Bilal out of the shop so he can enjoy an extra day at home. But to do that, he needs to make sure that everything that's getting done is getting done. So this is a great way for the people working here to be on the same page. Let me know what you think. Suggestions, critiques, constructive critiques, not destructive critiques.
I move cars around. I'm organized a lot. Show them a lot right now. I'm gonna organize it. I'm show y'all what it looks like after. Boom. Put one more right here. What about that Buick? Yeah.
Just finished the car. cleaning it up.
Yeah,
Take a look.
look at these dudes.
What do you think?
I think it's nice. I like it. Yeah.
Honda Accord only got how many miles?
80,000 miles. So if you guys are looking to buy,
Dang.
go to the website and you can buy it. It's gonna be for a really nice price. So check it out.
Can we see the inside, Oswaldo?
Yep.
Wow. Y'all did an excellent job. Whoosh.
Look at the dashboard.
Smells great in here. Everything is nice and clean. Clean. Trabajo bueno.
Thank you.
Excelente.
Thank you. Thank you.
We down. Can we roll it off? Okay. All right. Alright, we're gonna check out this car, see what it needs, see if it's good.
The wheel is sliding off. Stop, 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 stop. Brother. Your wheel was about to fall off the ramp. It was going to be a disaster.
That'd have been good content.
Wow, where we at? What's going on? Transport successful.
If we're successful, car won't turn on, so we gotta figure that out. Probably just the battery. Jump pack was not charged because we lost, or somebody lost, the charge cable to it. Business is war. Don't let nobody tell you anything else. War with everybody. War with everything. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different, bro. Now that truck used to pull out through here, but now this is blocking the way. Oh my goodness. Alhamdulillah. You know what it is? I need to stop being here. When I'm at home, so much gets done. I swear to God, so much gets done.
Like what?
Like I'm getting all the good deals in the auctions, all the transport, all the parts right away, boom, 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 boom. Here, I'm just doing like the busy work, bro. Like that's a day in the life. Jumper's fee? Bismillah. This is an ay moment. I was running drive on Copart. Like, it turns on and it drives and everything. I just put it in neutral and push this thing, bruh. No, we're just gonna push it. Uno, dos, tres. Ay, mucho, mucho. See? Ah, okay. Well, we got the key for this one. Imagine this one turned on. Hey, he gotta drop off that BMW first. You can let him know. BMW, drop it off. It's not even my car, bro. It's like, I don't wanna deal with this stuff, bro.
Whose car is this?
Some guy from the mosque. Yep. Look at this, bro. Rookies, bro.
Of course.
By the course, bro.
By the course. He doesn't turn on.
I'm gonna lose my mind, bro. This ain't even, I ain't doing this for people no more. Ain't no more using my account. No, the battery's dead, of course. So we're pushing this one. Yeah, we're not even gonna bother.
I should hold it.
All right, it's in park. We just hook it up to a car, chain, and he just moves forward, and this will drag off. Yeah, exactly. Wow. We're just gonna hook it up to one of our cars, and you just pull forward. It might be easier if you just pull forward, because this won't be able to drag that. If you just pull forward, I got my foot on the brake, it'll drop it right there. Okay, yeah, watch the ramps. Dang. It goes up and back down. Wait! No, the problem is your ramps moved up. Here's the scoop. So we tried dragging it, didn't work, because the ramps went up, so it's not gonna work. So now, he's gonna try to disconnect the transmission completely. So it's completely free to roll back and forth. Welcome to a day in the life.
Hi, my friend.
Hola, YouTube.
Hello.
What's he doing? Tell the viewers what's he doing.
Trying to disconnect the transmission so he can free up all the wheels.
Te encargo esto, muy importante, cuando te lo pida me lo das. No sé si hoy, mañana, cuando se me acuerde.
Shout out Roy, our BMW consultant. Whoa! Come on, Jeffer.
We get it, day in the life.
Allahu Akbar.
Push, dile que frene también.
Oh my God. He broke the chain?
The chassis.
Boom, we got it off. There we go, folks, we did it. AKA 90% Victor did it. How do you say
Victor, super héroe. Bro, he saved your life.
Dude, I was trying to do it and then they started making fun of me. I started laughing. I was like,
And you fell back.
I'm like, I'm losing my power.
Tiene mucho power.
That's the Chihuahua power.
All right, y'all. That's a wrap for the day. That's a wrap for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. There's a lot happened today. It's been crazy. That BMW gave us hell. That Buick, they're about to move it. It's just, we bought a Tesla, bought a bunch of cars. Oh, I want some other cars. I didn't show them. We showed them 2 of them. Yeah, I want some other one. I want another one. Those Infinities. We'll show you guys that in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch you next one. Peace.